Greetings everybody, we're back again. This is Mzansi Football. We're here, we're analyzing the football games for you, and then you with your presenter, Losh Dowski. Hey, I'm here with Skip on.
Ngimnandi njani mfethu?
Mina ngikrand Bram. Yeah, Bram, we're back again. This is Nedbank Cup final. The Soweto Derby again. Once again, Kaizer Chiefs vs Orlando Pirates. We won a game.
Yeah, it's normal like Soweto Derby, Soweto Derby ne.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's about game emnandi. It's about game emnandi. It's interesting, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, so Bram, back-to-back wins for Orlando Pirates. Then I'm a player very confident yabona ibuyile. Then obatshela kanjani amajidi ukuthi ayibafethu asini qhubekani kanjalo going to the final.
Yeah, firstly, congrats for Orlando Pirates
Sure.
for the last game.
Yeah.
But Soweto Derby is Soweto Derby, and also finally it's a final. It's its own.
Yeah.
So like it's a game different. Maybe league game. So this one is a final for you see.
Yeah.
So like it's going to the different game. Imagine and now. I ask, but like if I fail to, let us fight for this one.
Sure.
Pirates yayidinga futhi Kaizer Chiefs yayidinga kakhulu futhi yengo. Yeah, so amajita they must go there with confidence. They like okay, siyoyithatha.
Sure.
Yeah.
So ira Kaizer Chiefs nayi babuya ku lose Soweto Derby ye league. Then now amajita manje ba approach Nedbank Cup final. Motivation lobone kanjani ubutshela amajita ukuthi bafethu siyayidinga lento le 10 years without a trophy. Let's make history bafethu. Sibona kanjani bayilungisa kanjani ukuthi bangene kule game le ba make sure ukuthi Pirates vele bayayishaya kule final.
I think ucoach sibese ilungisile lena ngokunokwakhe because ifavor like sijonga kwi last game yabo the players afana nabo Miguel, abocele and others ne which is like bebengekho egame futhi abanye like khanga bayidlala igame khanga bayicala igame ucele ebehleli ngaphandle Miguel khanga bayidlala so like I think like iplan yakhe ukubana ebelungisela ntoni ifinal so sizobabona uMiguel sibabona ocele becala abo Duba bayabuya nabo because bebethwa inoni suspension last game. I would like to tell anabo Mdu ukuba like that ball le okudlala nje I don't know but Mdu uyi good player but think like bamtshela ukuthi bra mother is a senior player no ne stop like it's just fence and everything.
Yeah, so Bram ama suspensions vele yabona and then cash up bo Miguel siyezwa lapho nalapho bakhona ebenchini nani uyamqala Saturday
uyaqala obvious
you risk match fit nani just risk
we don't risk we deserve
sure ne
yeah
so manje coach Nabi Jose Riveiro ufuna ukuthatha vele triple Nedbank Cup back to back wins make history, the first team to do that manga winner, and then Nabi udinga vele first trophy yakhe la South Africa ulungisa kanjani.
Now one say into ezininzi anizuthetha into eninzi ne mina into engasike ndikuxelele yona i1 ne she's just to cut it short ne
Sure.
Kaizer Chiefs is going to win in Nedbank Cup on Saturday. It's a must.
Sure.
No winning a penalty fake, no winning offside, but Kaizer Chiefs is going to take naked.
Sure.
Yeah, it's a must. It's a must win. Now, I don't want to say a lot of things. Kaizer Chiefs is going to win on Saturday.
So Bram, score prediction?
We are going to give them the same score as last Saturday.
2-1.
So 2-1, yeah.
Who's scoring Kaizer Chiefs?
I see Ulilepo is pinned. No Duba.
Okay.
Obviously.
Pirates.
I think like they are going to get something like Penatanyana. Maybe they are going to give Utito or Rumabasa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, this is Mzansi Football. We're back again. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Yeah.